Hi friends, good morning. Next video from Dhruva Entertainment and Video classes. Friends, that is from Unit 4A of second year zoology, that is endocrine system, friends. See, explain how hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism can affect the body. Friends, hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. Friends, this question from endocrine system, that is of thyroid gland, friends. You know, friends, thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland. It secretes a hormone that is thyroxine. The thyroxine is present in two forms, friends, that is T3 and T4. T3 means triiodothyroxine, T4 means tetraiodothyroxine. So the deficiency or less secretion or over secretion or hyper secretion cause some disorders, friends. So now come to hypo means what, friends? Hypo secretion means low secretion. Friends, hypo secretion అంటే ఏంటి ఫ్రెండ్స్? కావలసిన దానికంటే తక్కువగా స్రవించబడమును. కావలసిన దానికంటే మన శరీర అవసరాల కంటే తక్కువగా స్రవించబడుతుంది అని ఏమంటాం ఫ్రెండ్స్? హైపో సీక్రెషన్ అంటాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో దట్ ఈస్ లో సీక్రెషన్ బిలో ఆప్టిమమ్ లెవెల్, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ హైపో సీక్రెషన్ మీన్స్ లో సీక్రెషన్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. హైపర్ సీక్రెషన్ మీన్స్ ఓవర్ ఆర్ ఎక్సెస్ సీక్రెషన్. First, you know what is the meaning of hypo and hyper, friends. Hypo means low, hyper means excess, friends. See friends, ism means action or behavior. Thyroidism. Ism means what, friends? Action or behavior. See friends, come to our answer. Thyroid gland secretes a hormone called thyroxine. Thyroxine is in two forms, that is T3 and T4. This thyroxine is an iodinated hormone. ఏంటి ఫ్రెండ్స్, మనకి థైరాక్సిన్ అనేది రెండు రూపాల్లో ఉంటుంది. ఒకటి T3 దట్ ఈస్ ట్రైఐడోథైరాక్సిన్, రెండోది T4 టెట్రాఐడోథైరాక్సిన్. ఈ థైరాక్సిన్ లోపల ఎవరు ఉంటారు ఫ్రెండ్స్? ఎక్కువగా అయోడిన్ ఉంటుంది. అందుకే దీన్ని ఏమంటాం ఫ్రెండ్స్ మనం? అయోడినేటెడ్ హార్మోన్ అంటాం. సో థైరాక్సిన్ ఈజ్ అన్ అయోడినేటెడ్ హార్మోన్. Now come to our answer, friends. What is our answer? What is hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism? Come to hypothyroidism. Friends, hypothyroidism. Thyroxine అనే హార్మోన్ తక్కువగా స్రవించబడడాన్ని మనం hypothyroidism అంటాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. See friends, less secretion of thyroxine is called hypothyroidism. Friends, less secretion of thyroxine is called hypothyroidism. What are its symptoms? So here you have to remember two words, friends. One is simple goiter, second one is cretinism, friends, and third one is myxedema. These three are the symptoms of hypothyroidism, friends. Friends, here you have to remember three words: simple goiter, cretinism, and myxedema. These three disorders are due to less secretion of thyroxine in our body. First come to simple goiter, friends. Simple goiter. So in the simple goiter, what happened? So enlargement of thyroid gland is called as simple goiter, friends. You know friends, here we have thyroid gland. Due to this, what happened, friends? Due to hypothyroidism, the thyroid gland enlarges in size. The enlargement of thyroid gland is called simple goiter. This is due to what, friends? Insufficient supply of iodine or defunction of thyroid gland. Friends, simple goiter is due to what? Insufficient supply of iodine or defunctioning of thyroid gland. A human gets what, friends? Simple goiter. What is simple goiter, friends? Enlargement of thyroid gland. Here you see, friends, here there is a diagram, then you will get. This is thyroid gland, friends. See, this is simple goiter. See friends, here. See, this is simple goiter, friends. So enlargement of thyroid gland is called as what, friends? Simple goiter. See, once again, this is the thyroid gland. Okay, it has two lobes. This is isthmus, friends. In simple goiter, what happens, friends? It enlarges in size. This is simple goiter. Once again, friends, simple goiter is one of the hypothyroidism character in which enlargement of thyroid gland takes place. This is due to what, friends? Insufficient of iodine or defunctioning of the thyroid gland. That is about the simple goiter. Once again, friends, simple goiter అనగానేమి? థైరాయిడ్ గ్లాండ్ యొక్క సైజు పెరగడాన్ని సింపుల్ goiter అంటాం. దీనికి కారణం ఏంటి, ఫ్రెండ్స్? రెండు కారణాలు చెప్తున్నాం మనం. ఒకటి, అయోడిన్ తక్కువగా సరఫరా చేయబడడం కావచ్చు. రెండోది ఏంటి, ఫ్రెండ్స్? థైరాయిడ్ గ్లాండ్ పనిచేయకపోవడం కావచ్చు, ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో insufficient supply of iodine or defunctioning of the thyroid gland leads to what, friends? Leads to simple goiter. What is simple goiter? Enlargement of thyroid gland. Enlargement of thyroid gland is called as simple goiter. Now come to second character, friends. What is second one, friends? Cretinism, friends. Cretinism. It is also one of the symptom of hypothyroidism. Now what is cretinism, friends? It is due to hyposecretion of thyroxine during pregnancy, friends. This is for MSET and NEET. Hyposecretion of thyroxine during pregnancy. The fetus or the embryo gets what, friends? Cretinism. Due to hyposecretion of thyroxine during pregnancy leads to cretinism, friends. Cretinism. See, friends, what are the characters? Stunted growth in children called thyroid dwarf. Friends, one more important question. Due to cretinism, the growth of a children will reduce, friends. He won't grow in size. That is called as what, friends? Stunted growth. This stunted growth is due to deficiency of thyroxine. That is called a thyroid dwarf. Friends, we have one more dwarfism. That is due to growth hormone. That is due to growth hormone, friends. But here this growth is due to what, friends? The stunted growth is due to deficiency of thyroxine. That is called as what, friends? Thyroid dwarf. Very, very important, friends. Thyroid dwarf and dwarfism. Dwarfism, that is pituitary dwarf. So what is the difference between pituitary dwarf and thyroid dwarf? Pituitary dwarf is due to deficiency of growth hormone of the pituitary gland. Thyroid dwarf is due to deficiency of thyroxine in children. That is called thyroid dwarf. Okay, friends. Now, next symptom, friends, mental retardation. See, friends, mental retardation. మానసిక వైకల్యము. Low IQ, friends. Low IQ. Next, deafness. Next, mutism. See, friends, చెవుడు మరియు mutism. What is mutism, friends? Inability to speak. Deafness and mutism. Next, abnormal skin. Abnormal skin. Next, hypothyroidism. In women, hypothyroidism causes irregular menstrual cycle. See, what are the characters of cretinism, friends? Once again, stunted growth in children, that is called a thyroid dwarf. Second one is mental retardation. Third one is low IQ. Fourth one is deafness. Fifth one is mutism. Mutism means inability to speak. You see, mute, friends, like that. Next, abnormal skin. Next, very, very important, in women, hypothyroidism causes irregular menstrual cycle. Irregular menstrual cycle. That is about the characters of cretinism, friends. Now come to the third character of the hypothyroidism. That is myxedema. See, friends, hyposecretion of thyroxine in children causes cretinism. Friends, hyposecretion of thyroxine in adults cause myxedema. Very, very important, friends. What is myxedema? Hyposecretion of thyroxine in adults is called myxedema. Friends, hyposecretion of thyroxine in adults is called myxedema. Now, what are the characters? See, friends, myxo means mucus, edema means swelling. You know friends, edema. Edema means what friends? Swelling. Here myxo means what friends? Mucus. Now what are the symptoms? Mental retardation, మానసిక వైకల్యము, మానసిక మాంద్యము, డ్రౌజీనెస్, లెథర్జీ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మగత లేదా నిద్రమబ్బుగా ఉంటారు ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇంటాలరెన్స్ టు కోల్డ్, చలికి తట్టుకోలేకపోతారు ఫ్రెండ్స్. నౌ డ్రై స్కిన్, చర్మం ఎండిపోతుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ పఫీ ఫేస్ ఆర్ ఫేషియల్ ఎడిమా, ముఖమంతా కూడా ఉబ్బుతుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ మిక్సోడిమా. వాట్ ఈస్ మిక్సోడిమా ఫ్రెండ్స్? It is hyposecretion of thyroxine in adults. What are its symptoms friends? Once again, mental retardedness, drowsiness or lethargy, intolerance to cold, dry skin, puffy face or facial edema. తెలుగులో అయితే ఏంటి ఫ్రెండ్స్? మానసిక వైద్యం, మానసిక మాంద్యము, మగత లేదా నిద్రమబ్బుగా ఉండడము, నెక్స్ట్ చలికి తట్టుకోలేకపోవడము, చర్మము ఎండిపోవడము, తర్వాత ఏంటి ఫ్రెండ్స్? ముఖము ఉబ్బి ఉండడము. దిస్ అబౌట్ వాట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్? మిక్సోడిమా. సో ఫర్ హైపోసెక్రేషన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్, hypothyroidism you have to write 3 characters friends. One is simple goiter, second one is cretinism, third one is myxoedema friends. Third one is myxoedema. Now come to hyperthyroidism friends. Hyperthyroidism. What is hyper means? Hyper means over secretion or excess secretion. So over secretion or excess secretion of thyroxine leads to hypothyroidism friends. And friends, thyroxine ఎక్కువగా స్రవించబడడం వల్ల మానవులకు కలిగే వ్యాధిని ఏమంటాం ఫ్రెండ్స్? మనం హైపోథైరాయిడిజం అంటాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద కాజెస్ ఆఫ్ హైపర్థైరాయిడిజం? సీ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఓవర్ యాక్టివిటీ ఆఫ్ ది థైరాయిడ్ గ్లాండ్, థైరాయిడ్ గ్లాండ్ క్యాన్సర్, డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ నోడ్యూల్స్ ఇన్ ద థైరాయిడ్ గ్లాండ్. సో హైపర్థైరాయిడిజం ఎందుకు వస్తుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్? నంబర్ 1, ఓవర్ యాక్టివిటీ ఆఫ్ ది థైరాయిడ్ గ్లాండ్. నంబర్ 2, థైరాయిడ్ గ్లాండ్ క్యాన్సర్. నంబర్ 3, development of nodules in the thyroid gland. Now what are its symptoms? What is that friends? Exophthalmic goiter. See friends, exophthalmic goiter, కనుగుడ్లు బయటికి పొడిచి వస్తాయి ఫ్రెండ్స్. Exophthalmic goiter. See friends, protruded eyeballs is the character of this disease. What is the important character of exophthalmic goiter? Eyeballs protruded out friends. Protruded eyeballs is the character of this disease. Which disease friends? Exophthalmic goiter. It occurs in adults. Exophthalmic goiter occurs in adults friends. Metabolic rate increases, automatically heart rate increases, next sweating etc. Friends, once again, hyperthyroidism means what friends? Over secretion of the thyroxine, that's called hyperthyroidism. What are the causes for hyperthyroidism friends? Overactivity of the thyroid gland. Number 2, cancer to thyroid gland. Number 3, formation of nodules in the thyroid gland. So the best symptom is what friends? Exophthalmic goiter. What are the characters of exophthalmic goiter friends? In exophthalmic goiter, eyeballs protruded out. దీన్ని తెలుగులో ఏమంటారు ఫ్రెండ్స్? Exophthalmic goiter. Friends, exophthalmic goiter means what friends? Protruded eyeballs is the character of this disease. Okay friends, next it occurs in adults. Number 3, metabolic rate increases. Number 4, heart rate increases. Number 5, sweating etc. Now see friends, hyperthyroidism. See friends, exophthalmic goiter. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఎగ్జాప్థాల్మిక్ గాయిటర్, దీన్ని కనుగుడ్ల వ్యాధి అంటాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. కనుగుడ్ల వ్యాధి. ఓకే, దిస్ అబౌట్ ఎగ్జాప్థాల్మిక్. దిస్ ఇస్ హైపర్థైరాయిడిజం. ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్? దిస్ అబౌట్ వాట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్? వాట్ ఆర్ ద క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. Thank you friends. Good day.